Leaving behind the imperial elegance of Vienna, the train gently glides into the Austrian countryside, where the rhythm of the rails blends with a changing landscape. The city slowly fades, replaced by open meadows, quiet villages, and distant hills that begin to rise like a promise of what lies ahead. This journey is not just about reaching Zurich, it is about witnessing one of Europe's most scenic transitions, where urban charm melts into raw natural beauty. As the train moves deeper into the heart of Austria, rivers begin to appear, winding effortlessly alongside the tracks. Their calm, reflective waters mirror the sky and mountains, creating moments that feel almost unreal. This is where time slows down, where every frame outside the window feels like a painting in motion.
Soon, the journey arrives near Innsbruck, a place where history and nature meet dramatically beneath the towering Alps. The mountains rise sharply now, no longer distant, but powerful and ever-present. Snow-capped peaks, even in warmer months, stand tall against the horizon, while rivers rush with a quiet intensity below. This stretch is often considered the soul of the journey. The train curves through valleys and tunnels, revealing breathtaking views at every turn, emerald forests, wooden chalets, and glacial rivers carving their way through the landscape. It feels as if the entire region is alive, telling stories of centuries past, of trade routes, travelers, and timeless beauty. There is a unique calm here, a silence broken only by the movement of the train and the soft flow of water. It is the kind of experience that reminds us why travel is not just about destinations, but about moments that stay with us forever.
As the journey continues towards Switzerland, the scenery evolves once again. The valleys widen, the lakes grow deeper and more serene, and the landscapes take on a new kind of elegance. Approaching Zurich, there is a quiet sophistication in the air where nature and modern life coexist in perfect harmony. The rivers here seem calmer, more reflective, as if inviting you to pause and absorb every last detail. The journey that began in the historic streets of Vienna now concludes in the refined beauty of Zurich, but the real destination was never just the city. It was this incredible passage through rivers, mountains, and timeless landscapes. And as the train gently comes to a stop, one thing becomes clear: some journeys are not meant to end, but to be remembered, frame by frame, long after the tracks disappear from view.